Good afternoon again from Robertson's DIY Homestead. So, been out messing with the tractor, trying to do a few things with it. Now I'm hungry. So, what do you do when you don't want to go to like Burger King or go out to eat? You look in the refrigerator and see what you got, because I never look in there. I'm always on the run. I'm always eating out. So let's see what we can find today. So today we got the old skillet going here, cast iron. We got some bread, some pepper jack, some pepperoni. So let's see what we can come up with here. Oh yeah. So we're gonna get one side a little brown, then I'm gonna flip it, then I'm gonna put the pepper jack in. I love these. I got these when I was in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I think they're Lodge. Yeah, right there it is, Lodge. I love my cast iron. I have some that I bought to go on camping with, and I haven't even opened them yet because guess what? I haven't got to go camping. So let's just get it. Oh yeah, and I love these because it gets the lines in them, the grill lines. This is also wonderful to cook a steak in, hamburger. If you really want a juicy steak or a juicy hamburger, start it on here, brown it, put it in the oven for about, I don't know, till it's done, till you get your desired medium rare, whatever, well done, whatever you like. Cooks really well in these, especially if you finish it. A burger, if you finish it off in the oven in one of these, it's really moist. Word of the day, moist. All right, so I'm gonna flip it. All right, I'm gonna get some cheese and I'll be right back with you. All right, so now we got that going, I'm gonna put 2 slices of cheese on each one. Turn it down just a hair. Turn the fan on. Alright. Oh yeah. And I'm going to take my pepperoni, put them in between them. Perfect. So, get that going.